Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a CROUVM, CROUVM. It's 100 pieces of a disposable sleep mask. These are good, so if I'm going out and traveling and things like that and I don't feel like taking my mask, or if I know I'm going to forget it somewhere, or if I just want to have them for people that come visit, if they want to sleep on the couch in the sun, they can use one of these, and they're individually wrapped, which is nice. And it is super soft. I mean, let me see. I'll show you guys what it looks like here. They are super, super soft, and it's kind of like got a fabric feel to it, and it looks like it opens up here. Not sure exactly how you wear them. Let me see. Oh, it goes over your ears, I guess. Huh. Why does it have... Oh, I see. I pulled out the wrong side. Let me try this again here. So this is how it works here. So I'm just showing you guys here how it works. Let's see. How does it go? Why do I only have these little pieces here that broke off? See, it's got that, and then it's got an outside one. Ah. Is it there or there? I guess you kind of have to feel around to see where it's going to go. Let's try this side here. I see all these little slits and things in there. I'm just not sure how to set this up. Does it have an instruction on it? Yes. So I peel the little... Okay, take out the mask. Tear along the dotted lines. Remove the waistcloth and unfold the mask. Ah! I think it's going to be this whole thing like this. So I have to... So now that I have that open, I think I tear it right here in the middle. Aha! There we go. So now I have the mask, and I can put it over my ears. Wow! Oh, that's good. It's super light. That's what I like about it, is it's super lightweight, and it's super soft. My goodness. Doesn't matter which side it goes on. No, both sides are really soft. So there, and then these just go around your ears. That's what that was for. So I can kind of break these little things here to make it bigger and smaller if I need to. So there we go. And this is what it looks like with it on, and it's nice. It's super comfortable around my ears because it's not super tight and nice and disposable. So I can sleep with this overnight, get it yucky, whatever it is, who cares? And then when I'm done, just take it and throw it away. So very cool. It's nice that there's 100 of them in here. So I am set for a really, really long time. So these are them, the CROUVM. And you saw I figured it out here. So super cool. Thumbs up.